Ever wondered what makes decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, different from their centralized counterparts? Today, we're diving into the world of DEXs, how they stand apart from centralized exchanges, and the unique advantages they offer. Stick around till the end for some cool examples of DEXs running on the TON blockchain. Have you heard of exchanges like StonFi or StormTrade? Let's find out what makes them so special. So, what exactly is a DEX? It's a decentralized exchange where users can trade cryptocurrencies directly with each other, without any intermediaries like brokers or centralized exchanges getting in the way. Here's the kicker: there's no need to register or store your assets on the exchange. Blockchain technology itself guarantees the execution of your transactions. How do DEXs operate, you ask? Through something called smart contracts. These are chunks of code that automatically carry out functions embedded in them. Say you want to swap tokens. Well, the smart contract ensures your instructions are followed to the letter. And the best part? The code for most DEXs is open source, meaning anyone can verify that the functions are performing exactly as advertised. Now, let's talk perks. DEXs offer some compelling advantages, such as super high speeds and very low fees on transactions, thanks to blockchains like TON. For example, platforms like StonFi and StormTrade leverage TON to deliver these benefits. Comparing DEXs to CEXs, here's the rundown. With DEXs, no registration needed, so no barriers to entry. You maintain control over your assets. Decentralization ensures operations can't be blocked. With CEXs, on the other hand, registration and verification are musts. The exchange holds your assets. There's always a risk of operations being blocked or canceled. Try signing up for an exchange. If it asks for personal details, you're definitely dealing with a CEX. In conclusion, decentralized exchanges represent a new level of freedom and security for users. And with the TON blockchain, they're even more user-friendly thanks to their speed and low fees. Curious to learn more about how DEXs work? Drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more insights, and share this video with your friends. Let's unlock the power of decentralized trading together.